boss gang? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I'm Pajon Monye. As you guys can tell by the title today, we're going to be doing a lookbook from Shein. If you guys have not watched my last video, go check that out. I will leave it linked up there in the eye so you guys can go see. But yeah, other than that, we're just about to get straight into it. So I'm gonna be showing you guys a couple pieces that I have, and then I'm gonna go style it and then let y'all see. Let me know what you guys rated in the description below because we love the feedback. Also, make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram. We're stupid lit over there. Like, we're very lit. Like, we're lit. And if somebody tell you we're not lit, they're lying. So yeah, make sure you guys go follow me on all my social media, especially my Instagram. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. The first thing I'm going to style and pair is this very comfortable jumpsuit. Super soft. I think you could dress this up or down. Normally I wear it just to be comfortable, or you know, you could dress it up to be cute. So let me show you guys how I paired it. Okay, so guys, I paired this super cute jumpsuit with a flannel, which really is my boyfriend's flannel shirt, but it's like an oversized kind of flannel jacket for me because it's lined in with the like teddy coat material. And I also paired it with my Ugg boots, and yeah, I'll make sure the collar was out, you know, just to give it a little street style. And also I paired it with this brown hat just to enhance all the brown and nude tone. So yeah, I made sure that you guys can see the pockets on this as well, and I think this is a really super cute chill outfit. So yeah, that's what I was going for, and I hope you guys like it. Okay y'all, so the next thing I'm going to show you guys in style is this, basically this bodysuit, and it's like super cute. It's that rib knit material, and it has like a little V cut, like the wiring in there, and it's a long sleeve, and also it has like the long bodysuit like piece. I don't know how to really say this, but yeah, it's a long bodysuit piece. Also it comes up to where it cuts you like on the side, so I think that is super cute. You can either dress this up or down. The look I'm gonna be doing, as you guys can see, is basically like a casual thing, but I would probably dress this up too and wear with like some jeans and maybe some heels or some cute booties. I think that would be super cute. But yeah, okay y'all, so I paired this super cute top with some bottoms. I believe I got them from like Burlington's or Ross, y'all, and I just put on some flats, but you can dress them up, honey, with some heels, and this can definitely be an outfit for you to go out in, or you know, for you and bae, or honestly a girl's night. So I love the two looks. You can literally keep it casual, or you can dress it up with some heels, honey, and I just love the heels look. Like, it really pops this shirt out, y'all. Like, so good. So yeah, period. I love it. Okay y'all, so the next thing I am going to show you guys is this two-piece like comfy teddy set. You guys know that teddy type material is definitely in this winter, and I just had to get these. Make sure you guys go check out my Shein haul. Again, it's my boyfriend rates video, but it's a Shein, it's a haul. So yeah, that was the bottoms, y'all. This is super comfortable, and this is the sweatshirt. So yeah, it's like a cropped pullover, y'all. It's so cute. Okay, cute. I'm gonna show you guys how I would wear this. So guys, this is the next outfit. I think it's so cute and comfortable. What I paired it with was my olive green Air Force Ones, and I think it's cute. I think it would be even better if I had some socks with it. But this is like if you want to go outside, you know, with it, just to like run in a store or something, and you needed some like closed-toe shoes because it's cold. I do suggest like wearing some socks with it because I think that would be a very cute look. But yeah, if you're not into the tennis shoes look, you also can pair this with some very, very cute like fur type of slides, and that's what I did. I got these slides from Forever 21. I think they was on sale for like $12, y'all, when like winter was like barely here. But yeah, I got these slides, and I think these are so cute. So yeah, I think this would be a more casual, calm look. I honestly like these better than the shoes, my tennis shoes, y'all. So I probably will wear this together. Okay guys, so the next piece I'm going to show you guys is this rhinestone chain type of shirt. I'm so sorry it is wrinkled, but after the try on haul, y'all just threw it in the bag. But yeah, I'm going to try on this rhinestone shirt. It is so cute, guys. I wanted to pair this with a different type of bottom, but I didn't have the right like shoes with me right now to actually pair that all together. So I'm going to go for the more casual yet cute streetwear look. So yeah, I'm about to put this together. As you guys can see, I paired this very beautiful top with some jean shorts, a flannel, and my Air Force Ones all white mid. And I think this is so cute, y'all. Like, honestly, like I said, you can definitely dress this top up, but I love this look. I know y'all probably looking like, girl, it is winter, but honey, I think fashion does not come with the season, and this is so cute. So yeah, I paired this with a flannel, jean shorts, and my shoes, and I think this is a look. Like, this is definitely a streetwear type of look. And also, you can take the flannel off and put it on over the shirt, but I think that will take too much away from the shirt. So yeah, this is a look and on period. Okay y'all, so this is one of the same pieces like earlier, the brown pullover, and only thing I did, because I don't really know, I'm not really trying to wear these like out so much, so I'm gonna keep it real casual. But yeah, only thing I did was put on my white forces, my white G-Nights, y'all know, the little ones on. So and yeah, so with these G-Nights and like my high top or mid top shoes, I probably will wear some socks. I love that look. My Instagram, so you guys can see the full outfit. So yeah. Okay guys, so I really like the white ones with this lavender. I think it really pops. It like a very clean outfit, and I'm really feeling this. Honestly, I probably will wear this one out, like not out, but if I'm running to a store or something, and just throw on these shoes with some socks and like really be super chill. So yeah, I really love this look. And also, like I said guys, this is more of a chill type of look. It's so comfortable. So yeah, this is how I would pair it. So you guys, the next pieces I'm going to show you guys is this bodysuit. I want to call it a two-piece because it's an outfit, honestly. In my try-on haul, I did not have the pants yet, so you guys couldn't see the full vision. But yeah, if y'all remember this top, it's a bodysuit. So now I have the bottoms to match with it, and I just had a real cute vision for this, so I'm going to put this on. I'm going to let y'all see. If y'all again have not watched my try on haul, you guys should go watch. That includes all sizes I wear, everything that I ordered is in that haul, and everything y'all seen is in that haul. So yeah, you guys should go watch that, and let me try this on. So guys, as you can see, this is like a mesh sheer type of outfit, but I honestly really like it. It's not super revealing how you would think it is, And yeah, I think it gives a real grown type of vibe, a going out type of look. If you guys have the right undergarments like panties, you guys might want to buy the ones that's a little more cheeky to match the outline of the bodysuit. But yeah, I think this would be super cute going out. I paired it with these black booties. And yeah, I know it probably looks super crazy right now because like my hair and stuff not really done. But I really love this outfit, y'all. I think it is super, super cute. Like I could just imagine the pictures now. Can y'all? But yeah, for this outfit, just make sure you guys have some black undergarments or some nude undergarments to help the outfit, you know, cover all those important areas so you guys won't be out looking just naked. So the last fit I'm going to show y'all is this two-piece, very cute satin outfit. Here is the skirt. Again, slippery. Again, I apologize for it being wrinkled, but it was still in packaging. I put it back in the packaging just to do this video. So yeah, this is a skirt. It's like a bodycon skirt. It really, really, really hugs your curves so good. And it has the side splits on it too. I think it's so cute, so you can adjust it up or down. And here is the shirt. The shirt is also a satin type of material. It does have a kind of lining inside, so it's not super silky on the inside. I feel like they made this like really good to say that it came from Shein. It's like a little heavy, not see-through at all. It ties in the front as well. And yeah, let me show you guys how I paired this. So guys, this outfit definitely gave me Barbie vibes. I really wish I would have wore this on my birthday, but I did not want to wear this because for one, it is cold, and two, I think it was too cute and I need to save it. It's more like a date night for me. But yeah, you guys can see how the side, you can definitely cinch the side. You can have the side go up or down, whichever length that you want. And to me, it fits really, really, really good. So yeah, as you guys can see, the wrinkles in the material goes out as well. That's just how good it fits. And yeah, I really love this outfit, y'all. The type of heels I would like to pair with this would be some simple heels, not these. These are the only ones that I had that was clear, but I had some other ones that just had the one strap across the feet and it was clear and they were pink, so I probably would wear those with that. But yeah, I really love this outfit. Like, it is so cute. I cannot wait to wear and post a pic on the gram. Like, do it for the gram, poo. Like, yeah, this is gonna be too cute. Okay guys, so the last item, I'm going to show you guys how I paired this top. Hold on, y'all, it be so confusing. Like, it's on the inside or out. The stitching is throwing y'all. But the shirt might look crazy right now. Okay, don't look too bad. So yeah, here's another top with the rhinestones. This one is like a color block top, and y'all, I love this so much. Like, it is so cute. I cannot wait to get this because I think I have a good outfit in mind for it. So let's hope this come together. But yeah, as you guys can see, the detailing, it is super, 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 super cute. I love this so much, like so much. So guys, as you can tell, I decided to pair this top with some sweatpants. Like I said in my try-on haul, if you guys watched my try-on haul, these were the same orange sweatpants I was talking about. And honestly, I love this fit. Like, it's so cute, so comfortable. And I decided to dress it down because I feel like this top was so extra that you really don't need to do too much. But of course, you can always dress it up. You can dress it up with some black jeans, some blue jeans, or, you know, just anything. Or you can wear some heels, sneakers. But yeah, I decided to put on some sweats and these black slides. And I really think it's a look. Like, it's a look. Okay? So yeah, If you guys like any of these outfits, let me know. Make sure you guys go check out my Shein video. All those clothes will be linked in that description box. So yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really did enjoy making it. This was my first lookbook and I loved everything about all the outfits. I think they were dressy, chill, winter, casual, comfy, all in one. So that's why I wanted to do this lookbook. You guys let me know again in the comments which one was your favorite. And yeah, if you guys want to see more lookbooks when I do hauls or just like me styling my clothes, make sure you guys let me know. Also, make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram so you guys can see these outfits, honey, when I take pictures and put on lashes, because you don't want to miss that, because again, like, we're lit, like, period, we're lit. I love you guys. Boss gang, we're out of here. Bye.